Soffit-less ventilation can seriously mess with your attic's airflow and cause major moisture problems if you're not careful. So, when you don't have soffit vents, you gotta find other ways to keep that fresh air moving through your attic, right? One smart move is installing ridge vents up top, so warm air can escape easily. Also, make sure you've got enough roof vents or gable vents to bring in fresh air, because relying on just one type won't cut it. You want to keep the airflow balanced so moisture doesn't build up and cause mold or rot. Another tip is checking for any insulation blocking those vents, because that kills airflow too. If your attic feels super hot in the summer, adding power vents can help push out the heat. Remember, keeping your attic dry and cool saves you money on energy bills and prevents structural damage over time. And always keep an eye out for signs of poor ventilation like ice dams in winter or musty smells inside your house. One of the biggest mistakes with soffit-less ventilation is ignoring the need for balanced airflow, which leads to trapped heat and moisture. Fixing this means adding both intake and exhaust vents properly. Another common issue is blocking vents with insulation or debris. Make sure vents stay clear to keep air flowing smoothly. Lastly, people often forget to regularly inspect their attic ventilation system, so scheduling seasonal checks can catch problems early before they turn into costly repairs. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about attic ventilation and other home projects. It also helps contractors connect with people who need their services, making the whole process way easier for everyone involved.